In this video, I'm going to show you how to split an expense transaction so it gets categorized in two different places. Hey everyone, my name is Stephanie Smith and I am a Zoho Finance Partner at New Light Financial Solutions. Here at New Light Financial Solutions, we are on a mission to help demystify business finances as well as partner with as many business owners as possible to help them have a growing and more profitable business. Thank you so much for joining us on our YouTube channel today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Now let's dive in. Okay. So you're categorizing your transactions in Zoho Books and you're wanting to maybe split one of your expenses into multiple different categories. I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's say I wrote this check for $1,250 and I want 1,000 of it to go into advertising and marketing and 250 of it to go into consulting. So I know where I spent my money. I'm going to show you how to do just that. First, you're going to click into the transaction that you want. And then what you're going to do is select your first expense account. So like I said, advertising and marketing. And then what you're going to do to split it is click this itemize button. So I click this itemize button and you'll see that first one is advertising and marketing. And there's an amount here. And I'm going to change that, let's say to $1,000. And then I'm going to add another line item. Click this button here. And then you can pick another account. So let's say I'm going to say consultant expense. Right now you can see my expense total is $1,000. If you forget, you can look back over here that the original amount was $1,250. So I need $250 to match up to that original amount. And that gives me a total of $1,250. So you can also add a description here to this line item as well. I'm going to copy and paste this check number here. And then that's really all there is. You just click save and you have now categorized that into two separate places. And if you want to go check it out and see how it shows up, if you go into your chart of accounts under accountant and chart of accounts, if I open up, let's see, look for advertising and marketing, you'll see my expense here for $1,000. And if I open up the other account, you'll be able to see that 250. So it did actually split that one transaction into two separate places. I hope that helps.